Hello everybody, welcome back to Mowgli Goes Fishing. Today we're going to be working on my 9.9 horsepower Mercury Outboard that we just picked up for the boat. We're having a little bit of a fuel problem, so it takes me a little bit to get it figured out, but wait until the end of the video and we'll take your first spin. Hope you guys enjoy, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, so right off the bat, let's take a look at this cow. It's a bit... You got bumped. Right. Stickers are absolutely toast, so we may as well go ahead and scuff sand it down and paint it. Definitely could use a sticker set if I'm gonna try to go full black again. I don't know about how to restore this kind of stuff right here, because this weird plastic is just kind of wrought and kind of roasted by the sun and the weather, but it'll be okay. I'm sure I can maybe shine it up and just go ahead and paint it anyway. Let's take a look at underneath the cowl here. So here's the motor. That's probably a fuel filter, an inline filter of some sort. I don't like how that's kinked up a little bit right there, but maybe it's supposed to be like that. Let's see. The carburetor right here looks like it's new. It's actually a different color than all the rest of the parts. The guy did say he put a 15 horsepower carburetor on this, so we'll see. I'm not sure what the difference would be. I didn't feel the thing run before it had this carburetor on it. But for the time being, I'm going to go to town and get some stuff to do a oil change and get some fresh fuel for this thing. I thought I had a brand new fuel tank laying around somewhere. I thought I'd purchased a brand new setup, but I am not seeing it anywhere. Inline for the fuel. It's a brand new inline for the motor. Determined that the carb was probably okay. The bowl was empty because my fuel was being starved. So whoever clogged up that last filter, hopefully this one will do the trick. They're about the same size, honestly, once you put them on. A little at a time. I hate this taking me a couple of days to work on it. But I also have work to do. So okay, here we go. Alright, now I've got some more parts. That spark plug was barely in there. Really hope I did a good job cross-referencing and using the right one. DPR 70A? No. Complete wrong plugs. And these ones are pretty gacked. It's a lot of carbon, but surprised that works. I kind of wonder if I'm messing up, honestly. If this video gets any traction, I'm sure they'll let me know in the comments if I'm messing up right now, putting this K&N filter on it. But I did cross-reference the filter sizes, and it's the right thread, and yeah, I just kind of trust K&N filters. tie it on there. Spark plug was loose, the oil cap was things that I've read say 1.1 quart, but we're going to give it 1 quart and see what it looks like. Alright, we are going to clean up the plugs, set this thing in a bucket. Yeah, we'll just finish messing with this thing in the morning. It's too dark for me to check the oil, make sure it's right. Yeah. But I'm really happy the K&N filter fit. Hopefully that'll be a good filter for it. And hopefully it doesn't blow up. But we'll say goodnight to it now. Okay, so today should be the day. Let me fire this bad boy up. Hooked up the battery. She is got oil. I've cleaned the spark plugs. They're in there tight. Your oil filter. So yeah, hopefully this thing is ready to fire off right now. Fuel up to here. The fuel pump's bad. Son of a bitch. See, because like not pouring fuel. Okay, this is the fuel line. Okay, put that RCV on there. I couldn't find any thread tape. I did have something. Thread this lolly in here. Rain's coming. This is an entirely new assembly.
shouldn't be. It's the new fuel line. Piece of shit. You.
There's the carb again. So what I'm going to do is take the bowl off, and we're going to have a look at a small passage inside of the bowl. Because the thing looks new, man. I mean, it's not. Everything that I've seen points towards this thing being just fine. There's no debris in here. All of the orifices that I've checked have been clear. It's not the same as the 10 horsepower, so I think it's the 15 horsepower carb here. Might just be overdoing it for this motor. Just trying to drink it all at once for some damn reason. Battery charge for a few hours. And I guess I'll come back out here. is a huge win. I'm gonna go ahead and say. There's my hydrofoil installed. Nice. Big shout out to Oz Hydrofoil. They are from Australia. They shipped this thing right over. Fits like a dream.